I think the game currently is in the seats where the counting is still on. That is crucial. You've got at this moment 6 seats where the gap is less than 500 votes. These seats are Bhore, which is a reserved constituency, Dinara, Madhepura, Marhora, Ramgarh and Triveniganj. Let's take any of these constituencies. I'll start with the Ramgarh seat where Sudhakar Singh has already won on an RJD ticket. Let's take Triveniganj, for example, where the RJD's Santosh Kumar is leading by about 300 votes against Veena Bharti of the JDU. 56,487 versus 56,047. The LJP's Renulata Bharti at 4,063. Let's take the Dinara constituency. Here Vijay Mandal of the RJD is leading with 42,338 versus LJP's Rajendra Prasad Singh 42,047. So if anyone argues that, oh, we may win, but you may also lose some of these 200, 300 leads, Rajat Sethi, the BJP will be hoping they'll come to them and that they'll go past 122.
No, true, and Rajendra Singh is one of the most talked about candidate from the LJP, and so far he's been winning one round after the other, but somehow he's trailing. So this can certainly flip, and you will see that one seat might go into the LJP kitty.
At this moment, there are 21 seats where the gap is less than 1,000, and the RJD is winning a disproportionate number of those. The RJD alliance is winning 16, the NDA only 5. So if some of these leads, which are, it's not an even distribution, if some of these leads, just by the way the dice rolls, comes towards the NDA, they could start perking up from that 122. So there are only 5 seats, hypothetically, which could further come to the RJD alliance, but that would be a really unfair split, and you don't expect. If that where the gap is less than 1,000, it's highly unlikely that the RJD alliance will win all of those 21. Kumar Kunal joins us. Kumar Kunal is at the BJP headquarters in Patna. 122 versus 113. They came down to 119. Now up again to 122. What's the mood at the BJP headquarters in the capital of Bihar?
Rahul, when we came last time, you must have seen that how enthusiastic the workers were. But right now, the mood is somber somewhat, and the celebration has calmed down. Although still the workers are can be seen here with the flags, and but they are very cautious right now. They don't want to commit straight away. आप लोग थोड़ा सा शांत हो गए हैं, क्या लग रहा है कि थोड़ा
नहीं, पूरा जोश भरा हुआ है। नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में हर चीज संभव है। नरेंद्र मोदी घर-घर पहुंचाएगा।
Rahul, although they are not going to concede that the kind of ups and downs which are happening in the sheet during the counting, they are not going to concede. But what we can read at their faces, that there is a certain nervousness in the air at this BJP office, BJP headquarters at Patna. So even you can't see the drums beating, which people were dancing a few minutes ago. But now they are cautious. They are not going to celebrate. They are celebrating. They are sloganing. But still, the approach is more cautious right now. And there are slogans like Bharat Mata Ki Jai, but no one is going to claim that they are making government on their own. So there are lots of things happening during the counting, and same is being reflected here on the moods of the workers of different parties as well.